Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday afternoon, February 28th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. We have a lot to talk about from today, this week, these ranges. Fascinating market is short-term players whipping all over the map. Tremendous price spike, price probe late in the day as a combination of short covering and the end of the month really spurred that on. We actually got yesterday's POC in ES with that rip up. Now, just like yesterday with the rip down and value never followed it, value will be in favor of the bears all day, and it was. Well, the same thing will go for Monday for the bulls. Now, I'm in bigger increments. If I put this in ones, value high is much lower. So if you open up above the base of the price spike, which is L's high in ES and C and D's high in NQ, value will be in favor of the bulls. Now, did that value help the bears out? Not a lot today in ES and NQ as far as the value low. The MGI was very mixed. It was very erratic. That's the best way I could use to describe it. It was a very good morning. I did very little in the afternoon. I did not participate in that M period. Again, I don't care if I miss something like that. I'd rather miss it than to try to pick a top on when M period has a $6 range. So I just watched it. I had a good week. I wasn't going to do anything foolish late, so I have no problem watching that. We are going to recap all of these stocks. Two big things that were avoided. Righty and NQ with those spikes do not have an outside month down. So sometimes what does I'm sorry, my mic. All right. Hopefully, I wasn't cut out that whole time. I hope not. Let's go to the charts. We're going to start with IWM. Okay. They had a potential outside month down. It didn't happen. I'm going to call it balance. However, if we take out this monthly low sooner rather than later, I will go down probably on the monthly. Now, initially, I didn't know how big a balance I'd call it. Probably call it a 2-month balance now, which encompasses basically this whole month because we took out January's high and low. So it's a 2-month balance now, but they did stave off the outside month down. Weekly is down, okay? Even with this rally, late in the day, the weekly is certainly down. Now, the daily, not only is it down, it's below the 200-day moving average for 6 days. Now, again, we talk about this. We know bears have been weak now for a long, long time, okay? But they're still in control for now on the intermediate and the short time frame, which is the daily. Sometimes the market has to rally so it can break some more. We'll see if that's going to happen, especially since our monthlies are in balance. And when you see triple ES, I'm going to show you why we haven't come out of balance to bear in ES in a long, long time. So right now, righty is balance on the monthly, down on the weekly, down on the daily. Let's go to NQ. It's a 3-month balance. The whole balance, well, in triple Qs, it's this month. But NQ never took out the all-time high this month. So it's a 3-month balance, with December being the high in NQ and February being the low of it. Again, if we take out this month's low sooner rather than later, I will call it down. It's not a pretty candle. We had an ugly finish in December, but January did okay. We have an ugly candle in February. Let's see what we come out of it with. So the monthly is a 3-month balance. The weekly is down. And the daily is also down. We're getting closer to the 200-day moving average. It's at 491.30. Okay? We got within $5.50 of it today in NQ. So the monthly is balanced. The weekly is down. The daily is down. Now let's go to the S&P. It's a 4-month balance. Okay? I'm still going to use November's low, I believe, as my balance low. So even if we take out January's low, I still believe I'm going to use this one. December's. So I'm calling this a 4-month balance in ES. Okay? But look at this real quick. If you were to go through all these months, it is very rare that we've gone bull, balance, bear. Okay? Here we did it. That's COVID. Bull, balance, bear. Inside month, back to balance. It was bear for 1 month. Bull, balance. Right? Bull, balance. Bull, balance, bear. Okay, came out bear. That's February of 2022. That was a pretty bearish year in the market. So 22 is going to show that. But from 23 on through 24, we have not gone the last. So let's see. The last time we went bull bear was, well, October of 2023. We were bull, balance, and then went bear for 2 months. So that's the last time, right? This is bull, balance, right? This is only balance, bull, balance. So are we going to come out of this 4-month balance back to bull, or do we finally get it to go bear at some point? The weekly is down. Nice finish on the weekly candle, but we're still down. And again, not the greatest candle, although we came off the lows pretty good there. And the daily is down. Again, the 200-day moving average has not been seen in a long time. We got within $12 of it today. That's still pretty far away. So the question is, are we going to come out of the monthly bear? If you do, then there's a good chance, actually the odds would be very good to get the 200-day moving average. But if we come out of that balanced bull, we're going to be waiting again. So all remains to be seen. I hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Rest up, enjoy your weekend, and we'll speak prior to the opening on Monday.